3, 2, 1, go.
All right, so we're getting out of mount now. We were working on mount attacks last cycle. We're working on getting out of mount now. So the first one we're gonna do is very basic, called dismount number 1. Our opponent is posturing on us. What I wanna do is get my elbows on the inside so I don't keep my arms exposed. And then what I'm gonna bridge and pushing his knees wide, forcing him to base. I'm gonna shoot up and grab his arm, pull it close to me. I like to pull the arm across and grab his back. If you can't, just trap his elbow. What I wanna do is trap his foot on the same side and center my foot. The reason I'm centering my foot is so he doesn't grapevine this side. So I'm centering my foot, giving more power. Move my head offline, bridge, and then roll right away. I'm posturing. Okay, so that's 1. Oops, sorry. Number 2, it's the same idea, but he's punching me or he's bridging to defend my bridge. So he's trying to punch, let's say, so I'm defending. I put one knee in the middle of the back, and then I use my knee forward. Same principle or same suffix. Hold the arm, trap, back, center, trap, bridge, and roll. Okay, so that's number 2. Square up this way. Number 3 now is I'm trying to bridge. I get his hands on the floor, but he's got such a strong base. His arms are really high, and I don't want to expose my arms. So I frame the hip, and what's really important, I keep my elbow in line with his hip. If I go over, he starts spinning to my back or taking my back. So I frame, my elbow stays inside. I get all the way on my left hip, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wedge my knee, keep bringing my knee up, so it lifts his leg. Now I'm going to trap his leg. I'm going to hamstring curl, basing my foot on the floor, push his knee as I turn my knees up 12 o'clock. Now from here, it's half guard. Now he's gonna try to cross face, so I'm gonna block his arm and get on my right side. From here, I'm gonna push his foot and trap with my outside foot. Then from here, I'm gonna wedge, bring my knee in, and start turning, pivoting to full guard. And from here, we can start working on guard attacks. That's number 3. Number 4 is I'm bridging, but he's not basing his hands at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna control both hands on the wrist. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep my bottom elbow on the inside, and I'm gonna do is kickstand my outside foot. I'm gonna push and get Jonathan's weight off of me. Grab the back of the leg, get into single leg X. If he puts his weight on his leg, I just roll over, base on my hand, combat base, and right into my pocket. Okay, the last one we're gonna work on, that we worked on today, is he's in mount. And as I try to bridge and roll, he goes to S mount, so he rolls over and S mount. Oh no. Now I don't want to expose my arms, so I hide my arms, and I base my foot and I shrimp my butt away to create space under his ankle to get double underhooks. Yes, I could go this way. I prefer to run my feet away and go to the back. Now I can start climbing and start taking his back ideally. That's our mount escape series. Thanks.